Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be all right in your homes. The COVID 19 challenge is gaining wild pace day by day in India and UT of J&K. The infected people's rate or their number is increasing day by day. It is better attempt to remain inside our home, restrict your mass mobilization so that this deadly infection can't infect you. Eid is approaching fast, and you are watching least mobilization in the markets because of this COVID 19 infection. In these days, every activity related to life, whether it is economic activity, it is social activity, it is political activity, is completely shut. In these days, you need to opt only offline and online mode of teaching, but it's fact that the pace of a network here is very low, and we are working here on or we are resting here on 2G network. It's often or always difficult to upload the video of 100 MB on social media sites for you, and then you'll receive it. But something is better than nothing, and we have been asked to deliver online or offline so that the students will get benefited a little bit. It is class 12th political science, rise of China as an economic power in post-Mao era. It's a very huge topic. In the video of 10 minutes or 8 minutes or 7 minutes, the same concept can't get cleared well. Books are available with you. Go on reading on the books and you will get the concept well. I am also throwing a little bit light on the concept. Let's start. China. First of all, its location. It is located in Southeast Asia. Remember, it is located in Southeast Asia and the most populous country in the world. Most populous country in the world located in Southeast Asia. In 1949, PRC, that is People's Republic of China, was formed by Chairman Mao. And it's also called the Communist Government of China. It was formed in 1949. Most states of the world did not recognize this communist government of China initially, but later on, many states of the world finally recognized it. And India was one of the states that recognized this communist government of China. Since its inception 1949, it rests on the model of Soviet Union. Soviet Union, because Mao was inclined with the ideology of Leninism or Marxism. So from 1949 to 1976, the Chinese model was the Soviet Union. China's economic model was the Soviet Union economic model. Remember, it is the populous country, most populous country, being huge populous country. It is population, the tangible resource of the power, makes it a giant power in the entire Southeast Asia and also has a very good regional influence. After the death of Mao in 1976, the rest of the rulers, for a long, for a quite considerable period of time, they rely on the domestic products for their economic boostness. China is said to replace Americans by 2040 as the huge economic power. This is because many reforms, many reforms held many reforms were held in China's economy after that of Mao. Initially, the China kept itself aloof, or we can say aloof itself from the Americans. Later on, they devised a new policy that is called the open door policy, and investors from the all the parts of the world were called to invest in China so that their economy will grow up to the greater extent. Their students with a growth rate of 5 to 6% annually and population growth of 2 to 3% did not meet the aspirations of the people initially, and finally China broke its traditions of keeping itself aloof from the Americans, and it started developing relations with the America. Dear students, China developed its educational infrastructure well, its health infrastructure well, it provides jobs to its all citizens, and within very short time after the Mao period of 1976, China started developing very fast, and it was expected by 2040, China will replace Americans as the mighty power in the world. I find it always difficult to upload the video of a 10 or 15 minutes on social media sites. Today it's enough for you, and day after tomorrow I shall be live again for the same concept, how the China start growing after the Mao period and boost its economy or its growth in as economic power enlarged. Thanks.